The root cellar.
Yep. You can see what it was. Matter of fact, you can see down there a little bit.
Yeah. Ah, that's neat. Can you open that door?
Yep. So you can see the old log.
That's an old plow.
Yeah. So you go in there. This is old, Dave. I'm glad you like something like this, but I mean, I didn't know.
Can I have that thing right there?
Take it to one. Won't hurt my feet. What is it?
I don't know. I had to find out.
Take it.
This is neat.
Yeah, it is. It is. I wish my Aunt Marielle was still living. I mean, she could tell you some stories, but
I don't know what that is. I'll have to figure that out.
okay.
That's an old plow you pull with the mule.
Oh yeah, we used
And
to
no
do it
handles over there.
when we were young. And back in them days, you know, everybody had gardens.
And look at the same kind of door.
What's the same kind of door at?
The nail.
Oh yeah.
This thing got a basement in it.
Yeah, a little root cellar. There used to be a door there back years ago. I was telling Dave.
It's there. It's inside.
It's okay.
And it's
pushed
got cut
inside,
nails in it, just like the other one.
Yeah.
How you like that step?
Yeah.
That right there's a chunk of lumber.
Look how they did those nails. I mean, just it's
Cut nails too.
such a pattern.
Back in these days, the smith made those nails
Yeah.
one at a time.
You were kidding me.
No, sir.
They made these nails one at a time?
Yes, sir.
There's a root cellar down there.
But anyway, this is my dog. Well, I call them ain't. They were more my cousins because they were my mama's cousin, maybe. Their grandparents. Whatever it makes them, their grandparents. Really big bass, but 3 and 4 pound bass. I kick them all day long.
3 and 4 pound, that's a big fish to me.
Yeah. To me too.
I put a tree stand up in that tree.
That tree will spit you out.